What is up to you guys? It's Althia and welcome back to my channel. So, hindi ako nakapag-upload ng video last week kasi ang busy namin after the Mother's Day celebration. Ang dami namin ginawa and yun, naging busy kami whole week. But now, after that, we're going to Bohol! Yes! Punta kami ng Bohol. But, first thing is, magpapak muna kami. Today is May 14 and bukas na madaling araw na yung flight namin. Kaya, kailangan na namin mag-pack, guys. Ang dami pa namin ipapak. And, I think that's for today's video. Tapos, papakita ko na din sa video na to yung day 1 namin or yung alis namin from Manila to Cebu. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga napack namin and yeah, yung mga dadalhin namin. Ito yung damit ko, tapos ito yung damit niya. Yan lahat yan, sa kanya yan. Tapos nandun pa yung iba. Yan.
Sand. When I met you, didn't have plans, but I stayed when I should have ran. Hey, and this happens every time. Get too close when I'm playing with fire. I get burned, but I know we'll be fine. Hey, got me running around in circles, looking for a shortcut. Does it get easier? Cause I'm trying not to hurt now. I don't wanna miss out, I don't wanna lose all this. I ain't afraid to say I love you, baby. I ain't afraid to say that at all. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall. I keep a lock around my heart for safety, cause I've been through this before. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall.
Hey guys! So far, malapit na kami matapos. And this is the first bag. Dito yung ibang gamit namin. And ito yung dadalhin ko. This bag. If you remember this, guys, ginamit ko rin to nung papunta pala ako dito sa Manila. And our luggage. So far, okay na siya. Almost done na kami. So, yung kailangan na lang namin gawin is yung toiletries. Yun na lang yung dadalhin namin na kulang. Diba, sis?
Yes, nane.
Nandyan pa naman. What's up, guys? So, nag-ayos lang ako ng konti. Kasi may pupuntahan kami sa mall. And magpapawax kami with my sister. And yeah, dadalhin ko pa rin kayo. Kakawi lang namin, galing kaming nagpa-wax kami doon sa SM. It's so good naman. And yes, see you later sa pag-alis namin. Hi, Cindy. Uy, kulong! Okay, we're almost done in packing, guys. So, almost ready na. Yan yung dalawang bag. Tapos, yung isang luggage namin. And the last thing na is yung toiletries. Kasi nga, magagamitin pa namin siya mamaya pag alis. Before kami alis, syempre. Hindi siya Baboy, hindi. Oh. Baboy. Hindi niya daw ako mamimiss mo ako, bebe. Oo daw, mamimiss niya daw ako. See you later, guys. What is up to you guys? It's Althia. And welcome back to my channel. Now is 2:18 in the morning. And we are ready. My sister is back to sleep. Char! Back to sleep yarn. And yeah. Sama ko pa rin kayo sa adventure namin today. Outfit check. No one asked. Going to Bohol. Bye!
Taga-bagger.
Guys, nasa terminal na kami. At ganun yung story. Naghihintay na lang kami ng ng bus to Cubao. Nakasakay na kami. To Cubao.
Does it get easier? Cause I'm trying not to hurt now. I don't wanna miss out, I don't wanna lose all this.
I ain't afraid to say I love you, baby. I ain't afraid to say that at all. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall. I keep a lock around my heart for safety, cause I've been through this before. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall.
Nandito na kami sa baba ng nandito na kami sa terminal ng bus. Inantay lang namin yung grab namin papunta ng Naiya Terminal 3. Dito na tayo, Sarah. Sige, dito na tayo. Dito na yung grab namin.
I just wanna spend nights with you on the low key. Even though I act cool, lately I've been lonely. Trying to hide a face, kinda hoping that you don't see. I don't wanna fake time, I'm wanting you to hold me. I just wanna spend nights with you on the low key. Even though I act cool, lately I've been lonely. Trying to hide a face, kinda hoping that you don't see.
Guys, nandito na kami sa Naiya Terminal 3. Kakababa lang namin.
I'm just trying to spend nights. I just wanna spend nights. I'm just trying to spend nights. I just wanna spend nights. on the low key. Even made some plans, got me switching on my homies. How can I be cool? I've been simping on the low key, breaking all these rules, got me posting shit they don't see. See, I've been trying to spend nights with you where we don't sleep. I can't keep my cool, got me hotter than the stove be. Acting like a fool, not a tool, so don't use me. But when we in this room, go ahead, use and abuse me. I'm just trying to spend nights, making sure you feel right, giving back rubs and some steel pipe, show your ass what real love feels like.
Guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng airport and nakapag-check-in naman kami. Pero yung ano na lang, mamaya, yung luggage na lang namin yung i-check-in namin. Naririnig mo ba ako? Sana naririnig nyo rin. Kain lang kami ng breakfast.
Trying to spend nights, yeah. Young, pretty, fly thing, she knows this. Phone filled with videos and poses. Don't need a compliment, just notice. Been trying to get them all in focus. See the line, trying to find where your heart's at. Oh, honestly, please don't mind, let me hold that. Oh, don't need no hoes, I just need you. Window to soul, my eyes see through. My lows, they go when you're right here. Apart, it feels just.
Hi guys, so we're still at the airport and we need to wait for until 1 PM bago kami mag-check ng luggage namin kasi yung flight namin is 4 PM. Yung aga namin, it's currently 12, I guess. 12. Sleeping Beauty.
Like light years, spend the night, I just need you right here. Right now, you know you're my vice, yeah. When I need all day and all night, conversation playlist, the pussy so tight. But you gotta stay aware, beware, she might bite. When she getting in the mood, full moon is so bright. When the freak's coming out, got a leash and an ounce, cause I'm food just to keep her at the least on the couch, you know.
Sectional, I'm a sectional, on the stage and all, we don't need no more. Try to spend some nights, getting extra right, didn't need advice, I just need you soon.
I just wanna spend nights with you on the low key, even though I act cool. Lately I've been lonely, trying to hide a face, kinda hoping that you don't see. I don't wanna FaceTime, I'm wanting you to hold me. I just wanna spend nights. I'm just trying to spend nights. I just.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat.
Wanna spend nights. I'm just trying to spend nights.
Finally here in Mactan, Cebu. How's the feeling? Hey guys, May CR now in Mactan, Cebu. It's currently 8. 8 na ba? Tignan mo nga. It's currently 8 and kakaland lang namin.
Summer rain on a window,